Today I'll be demonstrating my 15-minute Brazilian wax tutorial. The first two strips that I'm laying are inner thigh strips, and I apply one to each side. I start with the inner thigh first because it really helps ease your client into the wax since these are the least painful strips. The next two strips that I'll go ahead and apply are on this cuff area. Not everybody grows hair here, but a lot of people do. So it's easier for me to remove the labia strips, which are coming up later, when I get rid of this hair here first. Once those two strips are applied, it's time to remove them. I'll start by removing the strip that I applied first, and then the next strip will follow. The next strip that I'm going to be applying is a labia strip, which is often referred to as a lip strip. Labia strips tend to take a little bit longer to dry, just because this is a more warm or moist area of the body, as well as the fact that the hair is a little bit denser here. While we wait for that labia strip to dry, we're going in with our next strip on the pubic mound. I make sure to apply this strip on the opposite side that I applied the labia strip to ensure that they don't touch. Once those strips are on, it's time to remove, and I'm going to repeat that same exact process just on the opposite sides.
I'll be showing you how I do a Brazilian wax with cleanup strips. So first you want to prep your client. I like to work in equal and opposite sections, so you'll see me lay 3 main strips here, which are the inner thighs and half of the top area. And as you can see, I will be pulling those strips in the order that I have applied them. And the next main strip I'll be laying is the other half of the top area and a main labia strip. While I have 2 main strips going, I will also start my cleanup strips. So I am going on the opposite direction for one of the inner thighs, and then I'm going in with a main labia strip. For all cleanup strips, I like to go in the opposite direction of hair growth. For the top area, I like to go all the way from one end to the other. I am not splitting it in half for the cleanup strips. Once I have completed all of my cleanup strips, I will go in with tweezers if needed and finish the service with post oil.